You might think paying a premium for a big name brand automatically buys you a better built machine, but in HVAC, the label is often just a badge. I've seen homeowners drop thousands extra thinking they were getting a tank, only to find the value brand next to it came from the same factory. I'm the HVAC repair guy, and after 17 years in the field and time as a Navy nuke, I've learned to look past the paint job. Today, we're looking at 2 ways to approach heating and cooling your home: the Fraser-Johnston THE2 and the Maytag PSH4BE. Now, let's talk about the armor protecting your investment. The Fraser-Johnston uses slotted panels that are a step up from a basic wire grill, but not full louvered protection. The Maytag comes with a full louvered steel panel, like putting your outdoor unit in a suit of armor. In a real backyard, that louvered panel prevents delicate coil fins from getting smashed, keeping airflow high and head pressure low. Speaking of running, let's look at efficiency. Both systems hit an HSPF 2 of 7.5. That means they're on equal footing when it comes to squeezing heat out of every penny of electricity. Both are single-stage systems that operate like a standard light switch, either 100% on or 100% off. You won't get the ultra-precise comfort of a variable speed system, but you also aren't paying for complex inverter boards that can fail when power flickers. Here is the dirty secret of the industry. Corporate parentage matters. Johnson Controls Residential was purchased by Bosch Home Comfort, while Nortec Global HVAC, the maker of Maytag, was acquired by Rheem. When you buy Maytag, you're paying a licensing fee to put a household name on a standard grade machine. You're essentially buying a premium wrapper for a standard machine. Equipment for a Fraser-Johnston averages about $2,964, while Maytag equipment jumps to $3,924. Interestingly, total installed price stays neck and neck with Fraser-Johnston at $7,737 and Maytag around $7,693. This happens because dealers often bundle different labor or accessory packages to stay competitive. Before I give the verdict, remember this: a dirty coil is the #1 killer of these systems. If you don't wash your outdoor unit with a garden hose once a year, it's going to fail early, regardless of the name on the side. Now look at the peace of mind factor. Fraser-Johnston gives a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty with no unit replacement. Maytag steps it up with 12-year parts and compressor coverage plus a 1-year unit replacement pledge. If that compressor fails in the first year, they give you a whole new outdoor unit, not just a part. That is a massive signal of brand confidence. The Fraser-Johnston is made in the USA, while the Maytag is assembled in Mexico. And the winner is Maytag. The tiebreaker was armor and insurance, since both systems share identical 7.5 HSPF 2 efficiency. Maytag's louvered coil protection and superior 12-year warranty with a 1-year unit replacement provide more tangible value. Even though the equipment costs more, the added protection against physical damage and failure makes it the smarter long-term investment. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.